Hello again, YouTube. So, to the advice of some of you guys, we ordered sail panels, and it's kind of scary, but it's a whole lot better now than it was. I figured out kind of what to do. We drilled out all the spot welds all the way around, and then got the new panel. It's already been fitted, cut. This side is pretty much ready to go in. I'll show you kind of what we're having to do over on this side because we haven't started over here. So there you go. Drill out every one of these little spot welds here. There's spot welds across the top there, then down this front edge. This one has been covered over. It's no big deal. Be able to take it and clean it off and get that ready. And those panels actually come down to way over here. And in hindsight being 2020, we probably should have fixed those before we did the wide body, but at the time we didn't know. Didn't know that it was a thing that we could do. We thought we were gonna have to make just those panels, and instead we've got brand new metal, which is awesome. So I fixed pretty much all of the other rust holes that we found throughout the car. We still have to work on the floor pan, and there's one other hole pretty much right here on the driver's side that we still have to patch that. But otherwise, I mean, she's going back together. Everything is kind of moving along, I guess. Once we get the sail panels put in, the next thing is take this thing back outside and wash it. Just pressure wash it off pretty well, and from there we're going to bring it back in, make sure it's clean and dry, and we're going to hopefully get this thing primed and ready to go. We've got a few other things that we have to put in as far as body work wise, where we've got that front louver done. Got to do some work to the floor pan and some other little odd and end stuff. Like we got to run an oil cooler line tunnel that we're going to end up having to basically make everything for that. But that's more or less what I've been doing. Cutting a hole out, welding the patch in, smoothing it back down, and there's been a ton of those little things. So I built one there, and we ended up having to do some heater channel repair. The other side, I did the whole heater channel. This side, we only had to do basically from here to here. This is undercoating that was up here that as I was spraying it off and cleaning it off and everything, it just run down. But it's moving along a little bit by little bit, and hopefully here, probably by, I would say, the end of next week, this car should be ready to paint, and that will be cool. So then we can get at least that much farther into the whole project. But anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And thanks again.